scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. DNA damage from UV radiation happens fast, but we can solve this even faster. Let's look at how those weak bonds actually break right now. First, we need to remember that the DNA double helix is held together by specific connections. These are the hydrogen bonds that sit right between the nitrogenous base pairs in the middle. Next, compare these to the sugar-phosphate backbone. Those backbone connections are strong covalent bonds, while the hydrogen bonds between bases are much weaker and easier for radiation to target and disrupt. UV radiation carries enough energy to snap weak hydrogen bonds. This makes option B the correct choice for how the double helix structure gets disrupted. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Remember that hydrogen bonds are the weak links in DNA.